Hello everyone. Today I'm going to bring you a new hosting. The name is Josidel hosting, and once you go on their website they give you login access. Straight away you can log in. After that you will see some of them menu sections where you can find my domains, email, files, database, installer, web tools, and other options. As you can see, these are advanced. If you know anything about hosting and good in hosting, then touch this area, otherwise leave it. So here they are offering something. They have new servers, new hosting. Here you can see your hosting information and when you can renew. For renew, you need to click this button. Other information you can see here, like manage your domains, manage your sites or database. Down there you will find other information. On the left hand side you can see account usage. Here you can find these things. As you can see, the list is going down. You just need to scroll. So we are going to see first my domain. So you can choose which one you have purchased. The service you have purchased, you will be able to see only these. We are talking about hosting, so here hosting section is showing file manager, other stuff, FTPs, and how you can upload and download to the server. MySQL server or your databases. You can add or delete databases from here. Here is the limit of databases. Your database server name is localhost. Here you can see your database usage. These are website installers and other applications or installed applications. Left hand side you can find more information about your server, MySQL, versions, IP addresses, processors, and so on. If you want to add or upgrade, you need to click on this red click, which is kind of plus. You can see this red plus will take you to the upgrade section. You can find here your server information and other related to technical information. You will also find here your mail configuration information. If you have got any errors, you can find here in error log. Here is stats and CPU load statistics. In advanced section, you can choose whatever you like to do. Here are the settings. You can find here themes, what themes they are offering for their panel. Right now we are on blue, and here are the languages. We are in language English, where you can find these all languages. Here is notification. If you want to visit their website front page, you can click here and visit their website. Here is all the information and offers. Hosting plans. And other hosting servers. Now we come back to our hosting plan, and hosting server is showing like this. You can see here how many folders you have got, their permission and dates. Here also you can find usage, domain usage, how many domains are connected to this hosting, CPU usage, backup usage, storage usage, and you can see and so on. My point is to showing you this video that you will know once you will buy the hosting what you will get inside, because this thing you can find only when you have purchased their hosting. You can use this hosting for CMS or any kind of other websites like HTML, or you can develop your own website with their website builder. As you can see, you can find your each and every domain information, how many visitors, how many categories, or how many they have distributions. These are all kind of information you will find on this page. And this is their hosting first page after you log in. I think I have covered everything. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me via comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye.